How to turn on Find My iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can enable and use the Find My iPhone feature using any iPhone with iOS 18. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Enabling the Find My iPhone is super handy to keep your iPhone safe and secure. Now, to enable this feature, simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device, and then go and tap on the Apple ID at the very top right here, and then scroll down and tap on Find My, and then simply go and tap on Find My iPhone at the very top right here, and it just need to enable the Find My iPhone from here. And once you have enabled this one, you'll get to see two different options. You just need to enable the send last location from here, and also you can enable Find My network as well. And once you have enabled this one, you're pretty much good to go. Now your iPhone is findable. Now, to use the Find My iPhone feature, just get back from here and open up any browser from your choice. I'm going to open up the Safari browser and search for iCloud.com. And once you have get into the iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID. And once you have logged in your Apple ID, you just need to scroll down from this page, and from the app section, go ahead and tap on Find My. And from this page, he'll get to see all the available device that the same Apple ID has been logged in. He'll get to see my iPhone 11. If I tap on this one, here it's going to quickly show me the exact location of my iPhone. If I change the view from here, he'll get to see this is the exact location of my iPhone. And this is how you can turn on and use the Find My iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.